Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Pokémon Battle Academy. This fantastic board game is your perfect entry point into the exciting world of the Pokémon trading card game. It comes with everything two players need to learn, including 3 complete 60-card decks. To begin, simply choose your favorite deck, set up the game board, and draw your starting hand of 7 cards. You'll be battling in no time. During your turn, you will always start by drawing 1 card from your deck. Next, you can attach 1 energy card from your hand to one of your Pokémon, powering them up for battle. Finally, you can attack with your active Pokémon if you have enough energy attached. Compare your Pokémon's attack damage to your opponent's active Pokémon's hit points to see if you knock them out. As your Pokémon grow stronger, you can evolve them from basic to stage 1 and even stage 2, increasing their hit points and attack power. Be mindful of special conditions, such as poisoned or burned, which can impact your Pokémon's performance. You can also play powerful trainer cards from your hand to help your strategy, like drawing extra cards or switching your active Pokémon. The main goal is to win by taking all 6 of your prize cards. Each time you knock out an opponent's Pokémon, you get to take 1 prize card. You can also achieve victory if your opponent has no Pokémon left on their bench and active spot, or if they cannot draw a card at the start of their turn. Keep practicing, and you'll become a Pokémon master.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.